channel, The Architect's Kitchen. Today we will see the Mexican recipe quesadilla, which is damn flavorful. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. First thing first, we prepare dough for quesadilla. So here I am taking 1 cup all-purpose flour and salt as per taste. So take a bowl, add a all-purpose flour or maida in it and salt as per taste and half tablespoon oil and mix it well. We prepare a dough for quesadilla. After that, mix water gradually and prepare a soft dough. We want tortilla sheet for this recipe. So for that, we don't want a very rigid type of a dough or very soft. It should be a medium for this quesadilla recipe. If your base is perfect, then your recipe goes well, है ना? See, our dough is ready. Seems perfect. Take a few drops of oil, grease on it, and take a rest for 10 minutes. It's a mandatory for a perfect quesadilla recipe. Cover with a clean cloth and you take a rest for 10 minutes. And meanwhile, we prepare a stuffing. So let's jump into the stuffing. Heat a oil on the kadai in medium-high flame, and after that we need to add a chopped onion and a sliced onion too and saute for a minute. Add a tomato in it and saute for a minute or 2 minutes. We don't need overcooked veggies because afterward anyways we cook in the quesadilla wrap. So we only want a saute onion. Add some corn. I am taking here a frozen corn and a green peas. This is also a frozen one, and saute it until raw smell goes. After that, add some Italian seasoning and salt as per taste and saute it for 1 minute, and our stuffing is ready. See, if you don't have a Italian seasoning, then you can also use your kitchen's masala like garam masala, kitchen king masala, etc. That also goes perfect in this recipe. So you can use your any favorite masala in this recipe. Foodies, please consider subscribe to my channel and don't forget to leave your suggestion in comment box down below and give me a thumbs up. It gives motivation to me. Our veggies seems perfect. Oh my god, this aroma, so nice. If there would have been any software to feel the smell, I would have done it for you guys. Trust me, this smell is amazing. After few seconds, add some chili flakes for the spiciness and saute for a minute, and it's ready for the filling. Let's move into the another step. Our dough has been perfect. Knead it for few seconds and let's make it a quesadilla sheets. Let's start. So out of one ball and roll it on your rolling pin or chakla belan and roll it like this. You can roll it as thin as possibly because we need a big size sheet for the filling. Please avoid the shape of the sheet because I am very pathetic to rolling the rotis, honestly. Take a bridle or tawa, hot it and place the quesadilla sheet on it, and we need to cook this sheet until the white spot seen on top of it, like this. You would notice after few minutes the white spots is seen. So that's the perfect for our recipe. So don't overcook this sheet because anyways we are going to cook with stuffing. So be remember, don't overcook, right? It spoil the taste if you are overcooked and spoil your time as well. Foodies, you would notice here a white spot comes out on top of the sheet. So it seems perfect. Take it off. The next step, take a sheet of quesadilla and place it on it a mozzarella cheese. You can also use processed or cheddar cheese, but mozzarella tastes perfect, trust me. After that, add on top our make stuffing and a pinch of oregano or Italian seasoning, and on top of it we used again a cheese. It acts a adhesive in between the two layers and seal with another part of the wrap, and this is it. We are going to cook on bridle or tawa. Also we can grill it on our griller. Take a spatula and tap on the sheet. It's absolutely okay few stuffing comes out from the sheet, and apply some oil on it and cook it till a brown spot comes out. You can also use butter, but trust me, oil gives heavenly tasteful in this recipe. So apply butter on both the sides and cook it well until the brown spots comes out. See, few brown spots seen over there. It looks perfect. Press it with spatula and flip it and cook it. This is the right process to grill the quesadilla. See, our quesadilla is ready to serve. Wow, it's look incredibly delicious and lip smacking. Perfect. A steaming hot cheesy quesadilla ready. Here we go. So look at the cheese, guys. Absolutely love it. Damn tasty and looks perfect. Serve it with your favorite dip or nothing. It's nothing actually. It's have it like this and enjoy with your family and friends, and give me your suggestion if you like this recipe. Bye.